High Court judges and the family of the late Justice Beatrice Thuranira eulogized the judge as a humble legal practitioner who carried out her work diligently. The body of Lady Justice Thuranira, who died while undergoing treatment in India, was flown back Wednesday and received at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport by her colleagues from the judiciary. Our very own Hassan Mugambi has the details.
An emotional moment for High Court judges under the leadership of Acting Principal Judge Justice Alfred Mabea, who presented themselves at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to receive the body of one of their own. Lady Justice Beatrice Thuranira's family leading the way as her colleagues, all robed up, followed suit. They paid tribute to the late judge. A short prayer session at the Lee Funeral Home Chapel, where many praised her for her diligent work. For the family, she was simply a matriarch who inspired them and was always there for them.
What I miss specifically about her is how compassionate she was in the house, and how we could approach her with any of our problems and anything else we're going through and talk to her about it.
She was always there whenever we needed help, whenever we wanted company, whenever we had anything wrong. She will always be there to guide us and to help us for everything.
As a family, we have lost a pillar. Whenever anybody in the family had an issue, she's the one who was number one to take care of the situation.
Judges of the High Court, where she worked until her death, described how she juggled between being firm and friendly, depending on the situation at hand.
We do remember her as a very pragmatic magistrate whom most lawyers would want to appear before, because she was hardworking, very polite, very understanding, and very fast in her determination of disputes.
She is equally no nonsense. She is very firm, and you wouldn't cross her path with, flimsy things, yet she would do it with humility.
She was always concerned with anything that happened to any of us. If there was an issue, she would calmly or quietly come, sit with you and ask you what happened.
And most of us did not even know that she was ailing, because she would continue with work. And at some point, when we visited at home, she said it is so difficult to stay at home when you are used to working. She never complained. She carried the disease, the illness, with a lot of courage.
Lady Justice Beatrice Thuranira Jaden joined the judiciary as a district magistrate in 1987 and served in several stations for 20 years. She was then promoted to judge of the High Court on the 23rd of August 2011. As a judge, Justice Thuranira served at the Kakamega High Court for 2 years before she was posted to the Machakos High Court and most recently the Civil Division of the High Court in Nairobi. May her soul rest in peace. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.